NASA has revealed a terrifying new discovery. This one image could end up having serious repercussions on all religious people in the world. Reports have claimed that NASA stumbled upon a celestial wonder. For decades, NASA's diligent team of scientists and astronomers has been trying to uncover the mysteries of the universe, and now they finally have. So, what is this startling revelation, and what does it imply about the nature of existence itself? Join us as we take a look at the mysterious City of God. A captivating photograph was leaked from deep within the archives of NASA, but the image has resurfaced in recent times, reigniting speculation on social media. It raises questions about what it could mean for humanity and religion as we know it. On December 26, 1994, scientists at NASA's headquarters were left dumbfounded by the images captured by the Hubble telescope. Among the vast expanse of space, the photograph revealed a mind-bending sight, a sprawling white city suspended in the middle of the cosmic void. The discovery sent ripples of astonishment through the NASA team, who found themselves grappling with the implications of this otherworldly revelation. What had they just discovered, and was the world ready to see it? Before they could fully comprehend the significance of the image, it managed to reveal itself to the world, perhaps signifying the true power behind it. The Hubble Webb server is typically reserved for confidential research, but in this case, it was somehow mysteriously made accessible to the public. In a matter of moments, the photograph spread like wildfire across the internet, capturing the imagination of millions worldwide. However, the US government swiftly intervened, classifying the images to control public unrest and maintain control over the spread of the information. Despite their efforts, the images had already found their way into the public domain, circulating among the curious public eager to decipher the secrets hidden within. Amidst the chaos, a photographer at Ellington Airfield managed to capture snapshots of the image, revealing a breathtaking galactic landscape replete with towering structures, pillars, and formations that looked very much like man-made architecture. In a pivotal moment of scientific inquiry, Ken Wilson, a professor at the University of Florida, deeply studied the photograph taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. Armed with a powerful handheld magnifier, Wilson delved into the details of the image, focusing on a peculiar foggy spot that defied conventional explanation. Through his meticulous investigation, it became evident that the foggy anomaly was unlike anything we had ever seen before. It had an unconventional shape, and it sparked uncertainty among the scientific community. NASA experts quickly ruled out the possibility of transmission error or lens diffraction, confirming that the image itself was perfectly fine since the telescope was in perfect condition. In response to the perplexing discovery, NASA representatives called for an urgent meeting, trying to come up with a plan to try taking the picture again. Maybe this time they could recapture the area of interest with much better precision. The Hubble telescope was reprogrammed for maximum resolution, its lenses meticulously aligned to focus on the mysterious section of the cosmos. The world held its breath as scientists awaited the results of the mission as the telescope captured the scene unfolding in the depths of space. As the image materialized on the projection screen, a silence fell over the laboratory, broken only by the collective gasp of astonishment from the gathered researchers. The once obscured foggy spot had transformed into a mesmerizing display. A structure was glowing in the middle, and it had an uncanny resemblance to some highly futuristic city stretching across the vast expanse of the cosmos. The structure defied all logic and sense and became known as one of the most infamous mysteries of the universe. The entire project took on a life of its own on the internet and became known as the City of God even within scientific circles. While some believe that it might represent a celestial paradise or a realm inhabited by departed souls, these ideas sound more like a myth than any serious scientific inquiry according to many within NASA. But could this really be the city where God resides? As researchers delved deeper into the images captured by the Hubble telescope, they unearthed a fascinating revelation. They found that the city wasn't just floating in space, it actually showed a dynamic range of movement synchronized with the galaxies it traveled through. This movement adhered to the fundamental principles of the Big Bang theory, aligning with the established laws governing the universe's expansion and evolution. Scientists couldn't believe this, and they quickly began researching the peculiarities of the city, visualizing distant corners of the cosmos on a grand scale much like a 3D model projected onto a vast screen. They discovered a curious phenomenon. Contrary to conventional beliefs, it appeared that the universe was not receding from the observer. Rather, it was as if the Earth itself was drifting away from the city of God. Could this mean that there was a potential central nexus within the cosmos? Using advanced computer modeling, researchers drew up how galaxies appeared to migrate away from this confusing focal point. With each new revelation, the city of God unfolded as a profound enigma, much like a labyrinth of cosmic mysteries. Unraveling each piece of the puzzle offered fresh insights into the intricate workings of the universe. It challenges humanity to think beyond the confines of conventional knowledge and consider the wonders that lie beyond the reaches of our world. Many claims have surfaced regarding NASA's reported efforts to hide the remarkable image from public scrutiny. While the motives driving this alleged cover-up remain unknown, speculation about the reason behind concealing such a profound cosmic revelation has been running rampant. The decision to withhold what some deem as the most significant scientific data ever recorded has ignited curiosity, but many doubts linger over the reasons cited, particularly the fear of sparking global panic. It doesn't make sense why the governments would choose to make that decision since the information has been leaked anyway. After meticulous examination, the photograph reveals intricate details that defy conventional explanations rooted in natural science. Heavenly beings uncovered, discernible within the image, are structures resembling towers, domes, and even what appears to be a watchtower. This suggests the presence of a sprawling galactic city characterized by its futuristic and unconventional geography. Astonishingly, in the middle of these architectural features, sightings of celestial beings reminiscent of angels were also spotted. Initially mistaken for a newly discovered star cluster because of their vibrant hues, further analysis revealed that these luminous entities bore a striking resemblance to living organisms. NASA sources found that these angelic figures emanate a radiant orange glow, adding to the surreal nature of the discovery. Reports indicate the sighting of a group of angels engaged in flight, captured within the vicinity of the 3-billion-year-old star cluster NGC 3532. Initially dismissed as an abnormal transmission because of an anticipated malfunction in the $1.5 billion Hubble telescope, later examination revealed much clearer imagery depicting angelic beings towering approximately 50 feet tall, adorned with wings and ethereal halos shrouded in mist-like auras. Could this be the first ever recorded image of angels? A space engineer reported that the beings observed in the Hubble telescope imagery stood approximately 50 feet tall with wingspans rivaling that of airplanes. Their countenances appeared serene and amicable, exuding an aura of joy as they seemingly posed for the celestial photograph. Their expressions conveyed a sense of shared delight as if they were imparting a momentous revelation to the cosmos. Intriguingly, accounts of angelic encounters are not confined to this singular event. A scientist who defected from Russia in 1985 disclosed that Soviet cosmonauts had encountered similar luminous entities during a Soyuz mission several years ago. According to his assertions, such celestial beings may be abundant in the cosmos, awaiting discovery through continued exploration. The prospect of revealing evidence that proves the existence of angels looms on the horizon, with the ongoing operation of the James Webb Telescope set to shed further light on this enigmatic phenomenon. The revelation of the angelic imagery on the day following Christmas in 1994 adds a layer of intrigue to the narrative. The timing of this disclosure is something to notice. Could there be an underlying motive behind unveiling this? During a period traditionally associated with themes of goodwill and spiritual contemplation, Christmas serves as a time filled with sentiments of warmth, compassion, and spiritual introspection. It fosters an atmosphere conducive to embracing the extraordinary and the divine. Against this backdrop, the unveiling of such extraordinary imagery during the holiday season invites reflection on the intersection of science, spirituality, and the mysteries of the cosmos. The timing of the image's release, strategically placed after Christmas, appears calculated to capture public attention. Post-Christmas, individuals often exhibit heightened spiritual sensitivity, rendering them more receptive to ideas of wonder and celestial significance. Such timing could fuel widespread interest, rapidly disseminating the story to diverse audiences. The strategic alignment with the season's sentiments aims to maximize engagement and outreach. Regarding authenticity, while some assert NASA's unearthing of the unexpected, confirmation of the image's veracity remains pending. The accuracy of the depicted elements in the image remains uncertain, leaving the question of fact versus fiction unanswered. Still, the implications of NASA's mysterious discovery of evidence of various religious traditions have persisted over decades. The spread of false information is not unprecedented. A similar narrative unfolded in 2016 when another image circulated online showcasing the gates of heaven within a nebula. Captions accompanying the image claimed that scientists were encountering many obstacles due to their findings. The portrayal of heaven was adorned with sprawling spikes of light extending into space. A closer examination unraveled a curious anomaly. The weird arrangement of these spikes contradicts the expected diffraction patterns observed in images captured by mirror-based telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope. Diffraction spikes characteristic of mirror-based telescopes result from the interaction of light with the telescope structure, including the primary mirror and support struts. While these spikes are typically evident around bright stars, their scattered nature in the mysterious image of heaven raised eyebrows. Unlike the distinct cross-shaped diffraction spikes typically observed in Hubble images, the multitude of irregularly dispersed spikes in the image suggests a departure from Hubble's characteristic diffraction pattern. Although the presence of scattered spikes does not definitively disprove the authenticity of the image, it casts doubt on its origin. The discrepancy between the observed diffraction pattern and that expected from Hubble's imaging system suggests that Hubble did not capture the purported image of heaven. However, the image's authenticity was later debunked, revealing it to be a fabricated piece of art created by artist Adam Ferris. The image originated from a Hubble snapshot of Messier 17, the Swan Nebula. Ferris employed a pixel sorting technique to manipulate the image, creating the so-called gates of heaven. Although Ferris never asserted the authenticity of his work, third parties appropriated the narrative, attaching the Heaven Gate storyline to the artwork. The depiction of the celestial realm originally emerged in a Weekly World News article titled Heaven Photographed by Hubble Telescope. The publication had a notorious reputation for sensationalized content, often reporting on topics like half-bat, half-human hybrids, and extraterrestrial ancestry. However, this portrayal of the heavens piqued the public's interest. NASA prepares for a retake. Meanwhile, at NASA, scientists were busy with Hubble's recent repair, trying to address the corrective measures to fix the mirror defect and capture clearer images. According to the publication, astronomers directed Hubble towards the universe's edge, revealing the radiant celestial city adrift in space. Again, the grayscale image resembled a distant urban landscape or perhaps a grand edifice perched atop a celestial hill, silhouetted against a starry backdrop. Radiant beams of light extended from the city's periphery, reaching into space at peculiar angles. While these features contributed to the image's ethereal allure, skeptics argued that they betrayed its artificial origin, contending that the arrangement of these beams appeared unnatural. This assertion holds merit, as observations from telescopes like Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope reveal different patterns of diffraction spikes surrounding bright celestial objects. The distortion of light is a common phenomenon in astronomical imaging. While this distortion is typically negligible when observing large, diffuse objects such as galaxies, it becomes more pronounced when capturing images of stars due to their intense brightness. So, the presence of numerous similar spikes in the image raised questions about its authenticity. This doubt began growing, overshadowing the narrative surrounding NASA's discovery of heaven. While it doesn't conclusively disprove the existence of such an image or the possibility of NASA uncovering celestial phenomena, it introduces the possibility of the image's origin and validity being false. If the image in question was indeed sourced from space, then the likelihood of it representing New Jerusalem or any other divine entity was reduced significantly. Dr. Masson, the scientist allegedly involved in leaking the photo from NASA, claims that the telescope was directed toward a star cluster. While telling the authenticity of the image may require expertise in photography, a closer examination reveals that the celestial city is surrounded by stars. Determining the authenticity of the purported space photograph remains a challenge due to the limited accessibility to the people involved in discovering it. Dr. Masson, along with the scientists mentioned in the Weekly World News magazine article and NASA personnel, were all reportedly involved in capturing the image. The mysterious part is that every single one of them is currently unreachable, making verification difficult, almost impossible, without direct contact with these individuals. Confirming whether the photo was indeed taken in space remains a mystery. However, if the image does originate from space, its contents appear distinct from typical astronomical objects such as stars, planets, or galaxies. This leads to speculation that it could potentially depict the celestial city of God. Regarding the timeline of events surrounding the Hubble Space Telescope, repairs were conducted in 1993, with completion reported around mid-December. The first post-repair images were transmitted to Earth on December 26, 1993, and then NASA officially released these images on January 13, 1994. This means that they were possibly transmitted to Earth between December 9, 1993, and January 13, 1994. On December 2, 1993, the Space Shuttle Endeavour left on a mission with 7 crew members to conduct repairs and spacewalks over 5 days. This mission likely contributed to the post-repair operations and transmissions from the Hubble Space Telescope during that timeframe. In a significant upgrade mission, NASA's Space Shuttle Endeavour embarked on a transformative journey to enhance the capabilities of the Hubble Space Telescope. Among the key modifications, the high-speed photometer was replaced with CoStar, while the original wide-field and planetary camera gave way to the newer WFPC-2. Additionally, various maintenance tasks were done, including the replacement of solar panels and hardware components. The operations were completed by December 9. Following these extensive repairs and upgrades, NASA unveiled the first set of images captured by the new and improved James Webb Telescope. The clarity and resolution of these images exceeded expectations, marking a significant milestone in the telescope's journey. With its enhanced capabilities, JWST embarked on a renewed quest to explore the mysteries of the cosmos. Among its recent discoveries is the enigmatic Red Rectangle Nebula, designated as HD 4179. This nebula, renowned for its distinctive shape and color observable from Earth-based telescopes, revealed previously unseen intricacies when observed through the James Webb Telescope's advanced lens. The intricate ladder-like structures surrounding a fading star within the nebula bear intriguing resemblances to the celestial city immortalized as the City of God. This parallel underscores the profound complexity and mystery that pervades our understanding of the universe, prompting further exploration and discovery. These gas cone projections, resembling nested wine glasses when viewed from the side, challenge conventional understanding of celestial phenomena, prompting a deeper examination of the universe's intricacies. Contrary to its namesake, the red rectangle defies expectations. By presenting an X-shaped structure rather than a conventional rectangle, this unexpected geometry challenges established notions of cosmic order, underscoring the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of the cosmos. At the heart of the red rectangle lies a dying star, casting off its outer layers in a celestial spectacle of renewal and transformation. This process shapes the nebula into a distinctive biconical structure, echoing the mysterious movements observed within the City of God. The symbiotic relationship between the central star and its surrounding nebula mirrors the interconnectedness of cosmic phenomena, reminding us of the universe's boundless complexity. While distinct in their manifestations, both the City of God and the Red Rectangle Nebula prove the awe-inspiring and often surprising nature of the cosmos. The allure of outer space, whether linked to heaven or not, has captivated humanity with its mysteries millions of galaxies away. At the heart of this fascination lies the James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of modern technology. But how does this extraordinary instrument operate? Perched above Earth's atmosphere, James Webb enjoys a unique vantage point, free from the distortions that plague ground-based telescopes. Orbiting our planet every 97 minutes, it boasts the capability to capture high-resolution images and precise spectra. Harnessing the brilliance of starlight, the James Webb Space Telescope is now on a mission to turn back time, all the way back to when galaxies were still forming. To do this, the telescope is positioned over 13 billion light-years away, allowing it to focus its gaze on galaxies at the edge of the observable universe. To achieve this, JWST uses a colossal mirror that measures almost 6.5 meters across. The size of a telescope's mirror is crucial for producing more sensitive images, giving it the ability to capture fine details of distant celestial objects. Constructing a mirror of this magnitude posed unprecedented challenges, particularly for space deployment. It required innovative approaches to ensure the mirror's weight remained within launch constraints while maintaining its strength. The Hubble Space Telescope's 2.4-meter mirror would have been impractically heavy if scaled up for JWST. So instead, the team chose beryllium as the primary mirror material due to its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. Each mirror piece, cut from beryllium, weighs 20 kilograms, balancing durability and weight efficiency to give JWST its superior image quality. This pioneering construction method enables JWST to achieve remarkable scientific capabilities previously unattainable in space-based observatories. The demand for observation time aboard JWST reflects its indispensable role in advancing astronomical research, with astronomers worldwide lining up for coveted slots to utilize its cutting-edge capabilities. Once deployed in space, ensuring the precise alignment of the mirrors to focus accurately on distant galaxies presents yet another formidable challenge. The solution lies in tiny mechanical motors known as actuators. 6 actuators are fixed to the back of each mirror segment, including the primary and secondary mirrors, facilitating the fine-tuning required for optimal focus. An additional actuator at the center of each primary mirror segment enables adjustments to its curvature, ensuring seamless alignment. Meanwhile, the tertiary mirror remains stationary, completing the intricate mechanism of mirror manipulation. However, maintaining the ideal temperature of Webb's mirrors poses another hurdle. To observe the faint infrared light emitted by the earliest stars and galaxies, Webb must operate in the infrared spectrum. Since warm objects emit infrared radiation, the telescope's mirrors must be significantly cooler than those of the Hubble Space Telescope to prevent interference. Therefore, Webb's mirrors are cryogenically cooled to approximately -220 degrees Celsius. This extreme cold temperature is essential to preserve the sensitivity of the telescope to infrared emissions from distant celestial bodies. To achieve and sustain this frigid environment, Webb was dispatched to deep space, far from the Earth's thermal influence. Sun shields play a critical role in shielding the mirrors and instruments from the sun's radiant heat while effectively isolating them from the comparatively warm spacecraft. This ingenious thermal management system ensures that Webb's mirrors remain chilled to the requisite temperature, enabling groundbreaking observations of the cosmos's most ancient and enigmatic phenomena. Yet, its invaluable data doesn't traverse the cosmic expanse alone. It relies on an intricate communication network. Initiating this cosmic transmission, the telescope beams its observations to a satellite within the Tracking and Data Relay satellite system stationed in orbit. From there, the signal embarks on a journey earthward, touching down on Earth. Adding to the intrigue of JWST's mission is its remarkable spirit of international collaboration. More than just a NASA initiative, it represents a joint effort with the European Space Agency. The James Webb Space Telescope stands as a testament to human ingenuity and cooperation in the realm of space exploration. Its state-of-the-art technology and collaborative ethos have deepened our understanding of the universe. As we continue our cosmic odyssey, it remains an emblem of humanity's insatiable curiosity and quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, shedding light on the vast unknown with each observation. Studying the cosmic mysteries, it represents a monumental leap forward in humanity's exploration of the cosmos and the mysteries of our origins. With its advanced capabilities, Webb delves into cosmic history from the earliest moments following the Big Bang to the intricate processes shaping galaxies, stars, and planets, including our own solar system. Functioning as a cosmic time machine, Webb harnesses its infrared vision to peer back over 13.5 billion years. Its unparalleled sensitivity to infrared radiation enables astronomers to scrutinize the faintest, most ancient galaxies, juxtaposing them with modern celestial structures like spirals and ellipticals. Through this comparison, Webb sheds light on the gradual evolution of galaxies across billions of years. Webb also has the remarkable ability to penetrate dense clouds of dust that obscure visibility for traditional visible light observatories such as the Hubble Space Telescope. By peering through these dust veils, Webb unveils the intricate processes underlying the birth of stars and planetary systems, enriching our understanding of cosmic evolution.